Let's look at Quant. So right now, Quant is at $140. You're coming up to this resistance that I've had charted for a while. Yeah, $150, we'll call it. You just broke support, and you're having a nice tear and a nice breakout. At least you were in a breakout. Still might be in it. And that last resistance was at $117. Ever since you broke it, you've been a nice uptrend. Actually, ever since you held this as support at $100, you've been a nice uptrend. So if you break 150, the next target I would say would be basically just above $200 at 205. That's where the last daily candle close was at up here. And you had a wick all the way to 227. So those are the next two resistances to the upside. If you break $150 is 205 and then 227. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah, if you break 150, you went straight up to 205 and then basically to 227. So that there's a chance that Quant could have another major breakout if you break $150, which is $12 higher. Be cautious. Daily chart is very overbought, but you're above the 200-day moving average, so I like that. And the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart is overbought, but you made a higher high, so now you just want to see a higher low, and you would want to make sure that on the higher low you don't lose $125. Then you could still be bullish on that. Um, and for the 1-hour chart, 1-hour chart's already reset, making a higher low every time. 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and well, actually, the daily is about to dump. But to me, the smaller time frames look like Quant wants to push at least a little bit higher, and that could get you to the next resistance. So I'd watch Quant. I'm gonna actually put an alert if it does break 150, because then that could be. I'm not gonna trade it, but that could be a good trade setup. Not financial advice, but uh, Quant does actually look a lot better than Dogecoin. So I am bullish on Quant if it breaks $150. That's the next price to beat, I would say, to the downside or to the upside.